Hey, relative, if you're ready to build something real, something that serves your people and supports your life, you're in the right place. I created this workbook, Finding Your Profitable Niche, for Indigenous entrepreneurs who are done trying to help everyone and ready to get specific. Because here's the truth. Trying to help everyone is the fastest way to help no one. In this workbook, we're going to find your corner, the specific place where your knowledge, your people, and a real problem all meet. Grab your workbook, let's get started. Turn to page 4. This is step 1 of 4. You already know your purpose. Maybe you discovered it through finding your role, or maybe you've always carried it. Now we're connecting that purpose to this specific business. Answer these 4 questions. First, what problem do I want to solve for my people? Next, what would success look like for the first person I help? What does my community gain when this business exists? And what am I building toward with this specific offer? Then write your business why statement at the bottom. This is your anchor. When things get hard, you come back here. Now turn to page 5. A niche is not a category. It is a corner. It's where your knowledge, your people, and a real problem all meet at once. Here's the formula. Your niche equals your people plus their problem plus your solution. Every profitable business lives inside one of 3 worlds: health, wealth, or relationships. Circle which world your idea lives in. This is where you start building. Now turn to page 6. Page 6 reminds us why a niche matters. When you get specific, you get found. Search engines work for you. You face less competition. You own your lane. You build real trust. You become the authority and charge what you're worth. People think, this was made for me. Specialists always earn more than generalists. Always. Page 7 walks you through the worlds again. Ask yourself, when people come to me for help, what do they need help with? What topic could I talk about for an hour without notes? That's your world. Circle it. Now turn to page 9. This is one of my favorite sections. Finding your role helped you name your strengths. Now we're looking at them through a market lens. Answer these 4 questions. What can I do that people pay for? What have I survived, built, or navigated that others are struggling with? What do people already come to me for? Where do my passion and market need meet? This is where your purpose meets profit. Take your time here. Page 10. Who are you serving? Here's the hard truth. Your target audience is not Indigenous people. That's 574 nations. It's one specific person. Fill out the demographics and write your 1-sentence audience statement. The tighter your audience, the easier it is to get found, trusted, and paid. Page 11 gives you the tools you need. Use the ChatGPT and Claude prompts to uncover what your community is asking. Then check Answer the Public, Google, or Reddit. Check Facebook groups, Reddit, or TikTok search. If people are asking the question, they need your answer, and you have it. This step turns your idea into a real market opportunity. Turn to page 12. This is step 3 of 4. This is the Niche Readiness Check. We're asking if this specific niche is ready to become a business. Answer these 3 questions. Is there already a market for this? Do people pay for similar solutions? Am I committed to building this? Will I stick with it when it gets hard? Can I package this so others can learn it? Is this scalable beyond just me? Yes to all 3. This niche is ready to become a business. Go to stage 2, validate. Yes to 1 or 2? This is a side income niche. Build it alongside what you're doing. No to all 3? Honor it as a personal passion. Not every idea needs to be a business. Turn to page 13. You made it. You now know your world, who you serve, and your problem. Now take your niche to stage 2, validate. Test your idea with real people before you build anything. Real money from a real person. Your community is not waiting for someone else to show up. They are waiting for you. I'll see you in stage 2.